Hey guys, what's up? It's me Swati and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Since we all know that Holi is right upon us at the corner and some sort of preparations must have been started at everyone's place, right? So when it comes to Holi, the only thing that comes to my mind is food and only food. No, not the colors, not the balloons, but only good food. So the other day I was sitting and I was thinking of making something special for the day and I got it successfully, yes. I'm sure you guys must have read the title of the video by now, and it is the Malpua, but not the basic one. It is the Paneer Malpua. Yes, this little twist added that flavor the way I wanted it and it was complete heaven. So I should now shut up and you guys can go and check out the recipe. For making Malpuas, I have used half cup of grated paneer, 1/4 cup of maida, half a cup of khoya. The quantities of paneer and khoya should be same, which is approximately 50 grams, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Now you have to mix all these ingredients very nicely with each other. You can even use your hands to bind them. And now some milk to put it into this mixture so that to get the flowing consistency. I have used approximately half a cup of milk into this batter. Mix them very nicely. I have used the hand blender so that there should not be any lumps left inside this batter. And now you can check whether you've got the right consistency like this. In a non-stick pan, I have put a generous amount of ghee. Along with it, I am also preparing the sugar syrup. For that, I am putting some sugar, water and some kesar strand. You only have to cook this until the sugar melts. That's it. Coming back to the non-stick pan, put approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter evenly. The entire cooking process should only be done on the sim flame, and now cover the lid for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After that, check whether it's done from the one side and try to flip it very carefully. Exactly the same color we need for our malpuas. And again cover it for only 1 to 2 minutes this time. And flip it again to check. And yes, the malpua is ready. And quickly put this malpua into the sugar syrup that you have prepared for only 30 seconds. And your malpuas are ready. You can garnish it with some blanched almonds and serve like this. Enjoy! Welcome back guys, I hope you all found that tasty. So this Holi, do try this super simple recipe and do leave the comments below in the comment box. So I wish you all a very happy Holi, play safe and enjoy the most. I'll see you all next time. Till then, take care and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also if you like the video, give a big fat thumbs up to it. Bye bye.